Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar, and this is the end of day 6. Well, I was not able to reach my target today, but I was close enough, so yeah, that's okay. There, I was not able to complete one chapter. It's not that I was not able to complete it all. Some part of that chapter is left. I will be doing that later on, and that one is ionic equilibrium. So I did complete chemical equilibrium. I have seen the theory of ionic one, and I will be doing that after 2 or 3 days when I get time. So apart from that, rest of the chapters, that was especially conic section, I am happy that I was able to complete that. And I was able to complete chemical equilibrium, circular motion, and RBD. In RBD too, I have not practiced too many questions, so I will have to practice more questions of RBD. So yep, and apart from that, I also completed center of mass. So yeah, it was between those chapters. So yeah, I completed that also. So yeah, I was not able to complete ionic equilibrium, but I did complete center of mass. So well, today was, okay. I wasted sometimes, but I think it's okay. There is one important thing that I think I will be telling you. That is, I'm not sure when, but after few days, one day I will not wake up in morning. I am not talking about death, man. So yeah, I am saying that one day I will take my proper sleep, that is without any alarms. So yeah, I will be doing that. So I am not sure when I will do that, and I have not planned it. But if someday I feel, sleepy in the morning, I will take sleep because it's almost a week now, and I have not, slept for more than 5 hours in the whole, I guess, 6 days. So, yep, that's it. So, see you later.